Hi, today we are going to solve this integral with arcsin of x using integration by parts. And here we can see formula of integration by parts. So, first of all, we need to choose our u. Here, let be u arcsin of x. So, u equals to arcsin of x. And, of course, we need to obtain du. Du will be equal to d arcsin of x, which is equal to derivative of arcsin of x dx. And, as we know, derivative of arcsin of x equals to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x squared dx. So, it's our du. Du equals to this line. And when we chose u, we need to find dv. And here we can see that dv is dx. So from here we obtain that v equals to x. So now we can use this formula because of we have our v, we have u and du. So u multiplied by v. v is x multiplied by u by arcsin of x minus integral of v du. V, we can see here, is x, and du is this line y divided by square root of 1 minus x squared dx. So now we need to calculate this integral. So let's do it. We need to write first part of our line, then minus integral, and here we can see x, and we want to put this x here. Let's check. D of x squared equals to derivative of x squared dx, and it is equal to 2x dx, and here we have only x. So we need to multiply it by 2 and divide by 2. And 2 multiplied by x we need to put here. So we will obtain integral minus integral dx squared. Here will be 2 in denominator and square root 1 minus x squared. So that's all. Now we can see that here we have x squared and here we have x squared with minus. So we need to multiply our x squared by minus 1 and of course divide by minus 1, so here will be plus. And then we can rewrite it a little bit. Arcsin of x plus 1 divided by 2 integral d, and we can add here 1. When we add here constant, it change nothing, so 1 minus x squared will be here. And here minus 1 minus s squared square root. We can also check, is this line correct? D 1 minus x squared equals to derivative of 1 minus x squared dx, and it equals to minus 2x dx, and we know that d of minus x squared also will be minus 2x dx. So this is the same thing. And now we can integrate this line. Again, arcsin of x. I just a little bit rewrite it. 1 minus x squared I put in numerator, and here will be power minus 1 divided by 2 d1 minus x squared. So now we can see that we will use this formula, integral of x to the power of m dx gives us x to the power of m plus 1 divided by m plus 1 plus c, and we will obtain x multiplied by arcsin of x plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by, here we have m plus 1, so minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 gives us 1 divided by 2, 1 minus x squared to the power of 1 divided by 2, and here will be 1 divided by 2, 2, plus constant. And we can delete 1 divided by 2 here, and as a result, we will obtain finally x multiplied by arcsin of x plus square root of 1 minus x squared plus constant from real numbers. So this line is answer to our question, to our integral.